Hey guys, it's Jerry Metalman Battaglia. I'm over here at Dirt Recycling, and you guys spotted behind me an old F100. Man, who wants to scrap this thing? Check this thing out, guys. I would never scrap this truck. This thing is awesome. 3 on the tree. Red and white, big combo. Old F100. Guys, like and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments down below. Would you restore this truck or would you scrap it? Again, Jerry Metalman Battaglia. Like and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have more trucks like this come up. More lots of videos. Have a great day. Leave those comments down below.